everyone, welcome back to our art and craft page. Today we'll be showing you some beautiful crafts using the craft papers or different craft items. First we'll be making a butterfly. So fold the paper like this and paste them together by folding it. Now we will make its antenna, paste the other side of the wings, make its eyes by folding it like this, fix it, and your butterfly is ready. Next, we will make beautiful cartoon characters or animal faces. So first, we will make the googly eyes by taking a tablet strip like this and fill it by using a clay. Cut it out and it's ready. So we'll take a cylindrical object and then roll it using a craft paper. After that, we will cut the paper frills like this and then roll them. Now paste it on the top, stick its eyes, make its mouth. Now we will draw its hands like this on the sides and it's ready. Next, we'll be making cute dinosaurs. First, take a red color paper and then fold it from the sides like this. Press it from the sides to give it a shape. Now fold it from the top, turn the paper and again fold it. Press it like this from the bottom of the paper. Now fix it by turning it like this. Press it and turn it from the between. Make its tail like this by folding it. Make its body. Make its legs like this. Make its eyes on it. You can make some patterns over its body. And your dinosaur is ready. Press it like this to make its face and it's done. I hope you liked it. For more such interesting videos, follow our page. Next, we'll be making a cartoon frog. First, we will take a green color paper like this and fold it from the sides. Give the lines on the paper like this and then press it and fix it. Now press it to make its legs from the top. Fix it from the sides. Fold it like this from the between. Fix it and your frog is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making the tiger like this. First, we'll take the yellow paper like this and fix them to make the paper strip like this. Fix them and make the spring out of it. Now, we will take a round sheet of paper and make the tiger face on it. Draw its eyes, nose and the mouth. Now, we will make its mouth like this. Draw the dotted lines. Now, fix it like this over the paper spring. Fix its face, draw its legs and fix it on the sides. And your tiger is ready. Next, we'll be making a cute toy like this. First, take a round sheet. Now, take the red color paper and fold it like this. Take multiple color papers and fix it in the same manner. Now, in the front, stick its eyes and mouth and your toy is ready. Thanks for watching our video.